so what's going there, guys? So it's raining. I don't know what time it is. It's my baby brother up there. So tape. No, it's a waste. My baby brother wants to put the tape on the Nerf box, the Jolt one. I don't know why. It's kind of crazy idea. Ew! That just have booger. Ah! It scares. Look at that nipples. Okay. Don't. That's a waste. Ask to mom's kid. So guys, you know that we're not doing some codes. We don't want to. Really we want, but maybe that's like a waste of time to do that because we're busy. So a while ago we must do a vlog, but
She said yes. She said yes.
well, let's do it. Okay.
You have to like to.
I don't know why my baby brother wants to do this. It's like a crazy one to do it. So
Now we go.
And I didn't know what to say.
And you're
Could be
breathing.
nice.
And you're crazy. And with the it could be the best that they have and
Imagine you and me together eternally. Okay, gonna get it. Come up here. Come up here. Gonna get the tape is up there.
Okay, okay, okay. The wag. Because of the wag. Because of the wag. Because of the wag.
It was you who came right when I didn't know what to say. It could be nice
Because
in my life, and I didn't take.
because of the wag. Because of the wag. Because of the wag. Because of the wag.
When I didn't know what to say. Where will I put it?
Put it here. Here. Put it the same here.
Oops, did not work. The best thing.
Hey, why did it? Now I'm gonna fix it.
You and me Together, it's real.
No one grows.
Where will I put it?
Where?
Put it.
What's the same here? Do you know that we're between, right?
So it just says here that we must do it. This can be good with ages 8 plus, but my baby brother is just 6 years old. So it's pretty bad, but it's good because my baby brother already know how to use it. So it's alright.
8 plus says. You put it here and here.
I don't know how to put it like that.
I just put it.
Yanni, kapag gusto ko maligo si Mami.
Yup.
It's not like
Yep, it is.
no, it's not.
I will still put some up there. And for a minute. It could be nice to have you in my life. And a time to time, could lose you. It could be the best day of our lives. Imagine you and me together. Eternally,
and you will put.
yes, I know. It's going to be the best day of our lives. Imagine you and me together. That is how it's done. That's alright. It's kind of bad.
Because you did it.
You guys will be the one who will judge if this is good. Wait, go away. Look at that.
It fell. It fell.
I don't know, guys, if you can see the tapes that I just put up there, but it's kind of bad and personal. So, see, my baby brother's happy up there. He just want to go with the tape. So, this is what just happened to tape. So, this is our tape. Out. So, I don't know, guys, what you will do now, but it's alright. I don't know, guys, where I will put you, so I'll just put you in the bed. You guys were too big. Okay, so this were trash. So my baby brother will just put it on the trash can. Kind of crazy, but
I'm gonna show you the trash also. Just kidding.
you just slapped my baby brother's nipples. Boobs, I mean. So guys, I can't like do anything with you. So yeah, we just like waste our time just putting some tape on the box. It's kind of a waste of the time, but there's so many changes that just happened in our house. Let us see. So we there's my baby brother. Is right. So this is my baby brother and my brother's room. So
and this is the drawer, guys.
and he keeps opening it. So don't open it.
They
It's kind
open
of
it.
bad.
No,
Don't open it.
I'll just do something.
Don't.
With this Nerf.
It's kind of bad.
There we go.
Go away.
What?
I'm doing my own vlog up here. Don't. There's a bullet. Don't. I'm gonna follow you guys something. Wait for a minute, you will hear some Tagalog words. So sorry for that, guys. We just hurry up here. So this is the drawer that my baby brother just showed to you. We go with 11 minutes, and here's like a mirror up here also, as you can see. And there's a big one. It's up here. I don't know if you can open it a bit. It's locked up there. I don't know, guys, if you can see it, but it's locked. So I don't know what it means. I don't know. So, yep, guys. So we will do the Pokemon game.
We're gonna do the Pokemon.
I don't know, guys. If you just know that it's kind of hot topic, so let's get out of it. Let's get out of here.
Oh, sorry.
So we will do the Pokemon, and yep. So we go in 13 minutes, guys. So we will upload this up. Then after uploading, we will go with the Pokemon card game. Wait, I'm gonna do the experiment. Yep. The next episode we will do the experiment and maybe a little game.
Can I have the
So,
bag of yours in that
bye,
under
guys.
the bed?
Oh, wait, just let's say bye first.
Bye.